Okay, here we are, Liberty Landing. Got my two ground crews here, Lucy in the black, Tuco wearing a tan. We just got through taking care of some garbage, and we're out here to relax and fly.
Motor on.
And we're gonna go flying here with the E-flite 1.1 meter T28, featuring a 3-cell 2200 battery. Just got through flying it on 6S, so I figured, well, we'll just poke around. Oh, this thing just flies. Man, the air is perfect. It's humid. It's very humid. It's after 3 on a Friday. We're way down there. Why are we way down there? Why? I don't know.
Timer stop.
You're the dummy with the controls.
Timer start.
That's why.
Time remaining 8 minutes. Timer stop. Timer start.
This plane is great, but the 1.2 meter, it flies different. It flies similar because it's a T28. It's got this T28 design, the same tricks that E-flite does when they make planes. And Horizon makes planes to ensure you're going to get a good flight every time. Not over my head. No, no, not over my head. I am in the runway a little bit.
Time remaining 7 minutes.
We've got really little chance of rain, not hardly any chance of rain, but yet, you know, you got these high pressure clouds. I don't know what they're called. It had plenty of extra up on 3S. So I like 3S in this because I can get long flight times and it just feels lighter. Sometimes you want more mass, but this is a plane where I don't think you need more mass in it. Like the 1.2 meter, I fly it on a 3300 3-cell or a 3200 4-cell. And I like the 3-cell 3300 in it just because of the way the mass feels. It just feels perfect.
Timer start.
I hope I looked.
6 minutes.
I gotta remember I'm videoing, I'm not just out here having fun. Yeah, I wasn't gonna fly today, but because I worked on my plane, building my wing on my Cub today. I got the left wing probably 85%. All I gotta do is I got some sanding to do. I gotta put the caps on the aileron and then fine sanding, but I'm not gonna start really seriously sanding on it until I get the center section done. I'm going to try to get that done this weekend. But we are going to the beach tomorrow. I already committed. I was going to try to come out and fly, but I was like, it's her days off. And she's been wanting to go to the beach for good grief, man. A lot of weekends now. I've been kicking that can. The winds are kind of blowing. I have very little breeze. And it is coming from straight across. So let's see if we can Get a landing here.
Timer
This is
start.
my favorite direction to land at this field, just because you're kind of landing uphill.
Timer start.
It's bumpier. It's bumpier that way. That went long because, man, I was fighting gnats on my face. Phew. And they're some kind of different kind of bug, man. They're a bug. Usually the gnats out here, they don't bite. Or these we got some biters in here, man. We got some biters.
Timer stop.
I gotta straighten it up.
Timer start.
Whoa. See, I had my throttle hand was up, trying to swipe my face. I didn't quite get it. There, I got it. But all they do is they just fly. They leave that section of skin and go right to another section. There, I got a complete wipe. It doesn't stop them, it just slows them down. I had to come out and fly today.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Like I said, I wasn't going to do it. So now I know I've been running the throttle over 25% for 4 minutes. Let's get another right side landing in. It's rare when you come out here and land both sides of the runway.
Timer stop.
That's much better for landing. Throttle.
Timer start.
Maybe a little. I touched the elevator. I didn't touch it. I thought of using the elevator and it messed up the landing.
Timer stop.
There we go. You hear it? I don't know if you could hear it, but I increased the throttle. Just when it was flaring, when it started to flare, I just bumped the throttle up just barely.
Timer
Lucy's
start.
saying, "What's that out there? Big yellow bird." This is the second time she's gone flying with us. She's doing well. All right, let's see if we can go back. Go back around. I got to remember to turn my camera. See, I'm in relax mode already, man.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
And let's set up for a center landing. Slow down, slow down, slow rudder. Perfect.
Timer stop.
Perfect. Say it, we're a little rudder. Let her go by.
Timer start.
We'll go around again. I saw the truck out there. Must be time to feed the horses. I saw the truck. I'm surprised the dogs aren't barking. No, I'm glad the dogs aren't barking, but
Timer stop.
here we go. There we go. There we have her.
Timer start.
I don't know if I can taxi there. It's pretty rough. Pretty rough.
Timer stop. Motor off.
Horses are getting food. I know the dogs, man. They're being good. They were good for that flight. They didn't bark much at all. There you have it, man. Your 1.1 meter T28. A great plane. I like 3 cells. 2200s. Goes plenty good enough. Looks scale like you see him at the air show. There you go, man. Well, Jeff and the bugs, man. Lucy, the dogs are probably going nuts too from the bugs. But there's the peanut gallery, and they're about to get their peanuts when we go. But thanks for watching. Thank you for subscribing. This is Jeff at Liberty Landing saying,